when a person's got the guard and you want to stick, you want to close these lines that can hit you straight away. You want to come straight in and close the guard off. So I can stick to him, I can feel his hips. If he tries to lift his foot up, I'm connecting to his hips and preventing him from kicking, I'm preventing him from punching. Sticking the fascia, I've got control of his structure. If he wants to try and shoot on me to tackle or take me down, I'm in his structure, I'm in his hips. He can't come in on me, he can't catch me. So this is your basic control position. But from this control position, I can take him down, I can strike him, I can kick him, I'm in the superior position. So you never want to be on the inside in a guard position, you always want to be in the outside in the controlling position. Now before I can strike him, I have to control structure, I have to break structure. So if I was here and I throw a strike, now he's going to throw a strike and we're going to be exchanging. This is very, very high risk. But if I touch, break structure, now he's open and I can put my hits in any way that I want because the structure is broken. But when he's got structure, high risk. I've got to take that structure away. I've got to control and intercept the structure. From there, once I've broken the structure, I can execute my strike. So this first drill is touch the base, touch the hips, touch the shoulders, control structure. Next, break structure. So here, if I want to lift this side up and do an elbow, I've got to break structure across the diagonal from here to here, here to here. There's a triangle, and I pull that triangle out. Now I've got opportunity for a punch, for an elbow, for a knee, for a kick, whatever I want to execute from that side. So we're going to go through how to take control of the structure, how to break the structure through forming triangles in my partner's body, and then you just pull that triangle out of alignment, and then you can execute whatever strikes are suitable for that break and structure. So the first point one, touch the root. Feel the hips, feel the shoulders. This prevents them striking, prevents them from kicking, prevents them from trying to take me down. The only thing you can do from here is move back and away, providing I'm not hooking onto him and preventing his escape. Okay, so that's step one. Step two, I form a triangle from here and here to here. Now this triangle, I push this side of the triangle up and I pull that side of the triangle down, disconnecting his hip. So this hip over here is coming out of alignment, and now this side is vulnerable for strikes. We draw these triangles throughout our body, throughout our partner's body to break structure, and this is the first structure break we want to work with. So you touch your partner's structure, break structure, hit that side of the triangle. Break structure, hit that side of the triangle. And we pull the energy up. If you look at his neck stretches, opens, there's no protective chi there. So when you hit, it's going to be nice, clean knockout. So triangulate, pluck the triangle, feed one side, pull the other side out, and then put your technique in and stop the technique.